Hello, welcome to Idle Capital's YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to deposit or withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance app. Please subscribe and activate the notification. First, you will need to choose a network. How to choose a network? BP2 refers to the BNB Beacon chain, former Binance chain. BP20 refers to the BNB Smart Chain, BSC, former Binance Smart Chain. ERC20 refers to the Ethereum network. Its native cryptocurrency is ETH. TRC20 refers to the Tron network. EOS refers to the Enterprise Operation System network. BTC refers to the Bitcoin network. BTC SegWit refers to native SegWit batch 32, and the address starts with BC1. You can withdraw or send Bitcoin to SegWit batch 32 addresses. Please make sure that the selected network is the same as the network of the platform you are withdrawing funds from or depositing funds to. If you select the wrong network, you will lose your funds. The network selection depends on the options provided by the external wallet/exchange that you are making the withdrawal from. If the external platform only supports ERC20, you must select the ERC20 deposit network. Do not select the cheapest fee option. Select the one that is compatible with the external platform. For example, you can only send ERC20 tokens to another ERC20 address, and you can only send BSC tokens to another BSC address. If you select incompatible/different deposit networks, you will lose your funds. Please make sure the address and amount you entered is correct before confirming the transfer. 1. Open your Binance app and tap Wallets Deposit. 2. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example USD. 3. You will see the available network for depositing USD. Please choose the deposit network carefully and make sure that the selected network is the same as the network of the platform you are withdrawing funds from. If you select the wrong network, you will lose your funds. 4. You will see a QR code and the deposit address. Click to copy your Binance Wallet's deposit address and paste it to the address field on the platform you intend to withdraw crypto from. You may also click Save as Image and import the QR code on the withdrawing platform directly. You can tap Change Wallet and select either Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet to make a deposit to. 5. After confirming the deposit request, the transfer will be processed. The funds will be credited to your Binance account shortly after. Okay guys, thank you for watching.